Hello friends, myself Dr. Sapna Pratyush Dubey, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Mathematics, Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Today we are discussing here, identify the type of partial differential equation. Now, the identification of partial differential equation is based on this general linear partial differential equation which is written in this box. Okay, here this general differential equation is A del 2u by del x square plus B del 2u by del x del y plus C del 2u by del y square plus D del 2 del u by del x plus E del u by del y plus fu plus g is equals to 0. Now we will mainly concentrate on these three, A, B and C. These three are the coefficient of second order partial derivatives of u with respect to x, with respect to y, and b is with respect to x and y both. So mainly these are three decision factors who will decide that the partial differential equation will belongs to the category of elliptical, parabolic or hyperbolic. Now look at here, first of all we will find out the value, this condition, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. When this value b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so the partial differential equation is called an elliptical differential equation. Now look at here, we have an example related with this. Here we have del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square is equals to 0. It is a well known partial differential equation and it is called the Laplace equation. Now here we will check the values of A, B, C. Now look at here, the value of A means it is a differential coefficient of the coefficient of del 2u by del x square. In this equation the value of this A is equals to 1, and the value of B, which is not in this equation because the second order mixed derivative is not present in this equation, so the value of B is equals to 0, and the value of C is equals to 1 in this equation. Now we will try to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So it gives us minus of 4 and it is less than 0, and as it is less than 0 we can say that this Laplace equation is an elliptical equation. Now next we have second equation in which again we have del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square is equals to f of xy. It is a well known Poisson's equation. Now for this equation also we have the value of this b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 4. Again it is less than 0, so hence this Poisson equation is also a type of elliptical equation. Now the second category, when this b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, in this case we have the example one dimensional heat conduction equation. You can see here this equation is del u by del t is equals to c square del 2u by del x square. Here if we are considering the value of A is equals to minus of c square, and the value of B and as well as the value of C both is equals to 0. In this case if we will put all these values in this equation b square minus 4ac, so we get 0. So hence this equation, that is one dimensional heat conduction equation, is a parabolic type of equation. Now the next one is the equation which satisfy b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 is called a hyperbolic equation, partial differential equation. We have this example related with the hyperbolic equation, that is wave equation. You can see here we have del 2u by del t square is equals to c square del 2u by del x square. Here the value of A is equals to c square, then the value of b is equals to 0, and the value of capital C is equals to minus of 1. And if we will try to find out the value of this expression, that is b square minus 4ac, so it is equals to 4 into c square, and this 4 into c square is obviously greater than 0, and hence this wave equation is the type of hyperbolic equation. Now next let us see here examples related with this. Now here we have two examples in which we are trying to identify here the partial differential equation, the category of this partial differential equation. Now look at here. In the first example, we have 5 del 2z by del x square and plus 6 del 2z by del y square is equals to xy. Here if we are try to find out the value of a, it is equals to 5, the value of c is equals to 6 and the value of b is equals to 0. Please remember that the value of b means it is a coefficient of mixed derivative here, that will be del 2z by del x del y, and since in this equation we don't have such kind of derivatives, hence the value of b is equals to 0. And now if we will find out the value of this expression, b square is minus 4ac, so it will be 0 minus 4 into 5 into 6, so it is equals to minus of 120. Minus of 120 means it is less than 0, and since it is less than 0, so this will be the equation of elliptical type. Okay, now next we have this example del 2, where the question is the equation of the type del 2 y by del t square is equals to 4 del 2 y by del x square is PDE of blank type and is of blank. So here you can see that the value of a in this equation will be, suppose we have minus 4, and the value of b again it is equals to 0, and the value of c is equals to minus 1, and hence the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 1, and sorry, it will be plus 1 because we have considered here the minus 4. Okay, so it will be plus 1. So finally it is equals to 16 with positive sign and it is greater than 0. Hence this equation will be an hyperbolic equation, and we know that it is a one-dimensional wave equation. Okay, now finally this we can categorize this equation as a hyperbolic, and we know that it is a one-dimensional equation, and here the value of c square is equals to 4. Now that's all. Thank you so much for being with us. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.